The crypto town is commonly known for its instability. A bunch of conventions seek to lay out one's reign in the space. Beginning Convention is one such digital currency that flourishes to go standard. The convention plans to carry DeFi and NFTs to the large number, looking for help from its local token, OGN. The current choppiness in the business has upset the hodlers of OGN, similar to some other financial backer. Is it safe to say that you are one of the many worried about the value projections of OGN? Look no further, as we decipher the conceivable cost expectation for 2022 and the years to come. OGN value expectation for 2022. OGN had ventured into 2022 with a sticker price of $0.643 while on a slide toward the south. The computerized resource had a minor rise to $0.668 by the 5th of January. However, the developing position of vendors exacerbated a downswing. The accident towards the finish of January pushed the cost to its multi-month low of $0.3158. After a concise round of collections until the 2nd of February, an upswing accompanied the cost to $0.408 by the 11th of February. Notwithstanding, choppiness in the business impacted by worldwide pressures hauled the cost to around $0.269. Beginning from the 13th of spring, the rate of purchasers moved the cost by 222.82% to 85 cents by the 21st of Walker, drop from which shut the quarter at $0.668. The subsequent quarter was comprehensively negative for OGN, as it followed the suit of the business. OGN's cost was seen at $0.6195 on the beginning of Q2, which declined to $0.4627 by the 15th of April. While it represented a bounce back to $0.7319 by the 19th of April. In any case, taking off strained qualities prompted a downswing to $0.1875 by the 13th of May. From there on, a spike in unpredictability closed Q2 at $0.2825. Beginning Convention coin value expectation for Q3. Beginning Convention's presence in the areas of DeFi, NFTs, and Web 3.0, could fuel OGN during a conceivable bull run. In such a case, the cost could heighten to $0.2158. In actuality, in the event that the bears beat the bulls, the OGN cost could stagger to $0.1584. At long last, obliged by direct cost drive, the typical cost could settle at $0.1823. OGN crypto value expectation for Q4. Assuming the creators set out on formative and local area building drives looking for stimulus from hopeful social volumes, the cost could make a beeline for $0.2674. Alternately, the ebbing position of the venture and absence of advancements could bring the value down to $0.1962. Taking into account the bullish and negative focuses on, the customary cost could land at $0.2276. Beginning Convention, OGN, value expectation for 2023. If the crypto emphatically conveys forward to the year 2023 and draws in institutional ventures, receptions, and joint efforts, the cost of OGN could move to its likely high of $0.4607. Howbeit, negative analysis or a potential monetary disturbance could bring the value down to $0.2443. Progressively, the standard cost could land at $0.3297. OGN coin value expectation for 2024. On a bullish note, in the event that beginning lays out conspicuousness in the business by engaging its user base, the cost of the crypto resource could chug up to $0.7455. On the other hand, assuming that any guidelines or government changes happen universally, beginnings, OGN, cost might go through extreme days. In such a situation, the cost could stagger down to $0.3968. Successively, the absence of local area building drives and coordinated efforts could finish up the year at $0.5436. Beginning Convention value expectation for 2025. The people group could zero in on specific occasions and joint efforts with different undertakings to reinforce its foundation. In such a case, the OGN cost might heighten to a limit of $1.1759 toward the finish of 2025. On the other side, a rising rivals and stiffer contest could torment the cost to $0.6221. Progressively, considering in the bullish and negative focuses on the normal cost could be at $0.8637. The crypto resource could flood to a limit of 23 cents toward the finish of 2022. Be that as it may, an inversion in the pattern could bring the value down to 20 cents. Normal exchange tensions could land the cost at 22 cents. The firm anticipates that OGN should reach as high as 71 cents toward the finish of 2025. What is the beginning convention, OGN? Beginning is a convention for making and sharing economy commercial centers by using Ethereum blockchains. It enables the engineers and organizations to assemble decentralized commercial centers. It is a distributed organization that permits members to share labor and products. The focal objective of the ERC20 convention is to dispense with the outsider by utilizing Ethereum's blockchain and an interplanetary record framework. The convention empowers dealers, manufacturers and organizations to join and set up their commercial centers on the ETH mainnet. The extraordinary stage is worked to have lower exchange expenses, prevalent availability, and that's only the tip of the iceberg. In any case, the stage utilizes its local token OGN to offer prizes. Further, these prizes empower security to the organization and furthermore capability as the administration token. The stage has developed a NFT platform that incorporates particular sale mechanics to ad-lib income. The platform likewise upholds both charge cards and digital currency. Central examination. Beginning Convention is an organization that permits market members to share labor and products through distributed networks. The stage uses the Ethereum blockchain and interplanetary document framework for the production of a broad web-based market and disposes of the requirement for agents. Beginning tends to the principal issues of online business sectors like exchange charges and straightforwardness. Josh Fraser and Matthew Liu, the pioneers behind Beginning Convention, fabricated the environment and the goodness of giving issue-free disseminated frameworks, wherein clients can advance their items. The biological system has a wide and developing local area of engineers and holders. Prime supporter Matthew Liu filled in as an item chief and a computer programmer. He has gathered extraordinary information in the blockchain space. He was an item supervisor at YouTube Proceeding, helping to establish the Beginning token alongside Josh Fraser. Another prime supporter, Josh Fraser, filled in as a CTO for a presumed person-to-person communication stage.